Welcome back to Apple Insider, your trusted destination for the most detailed, honest, and exciting tech reviews on the internet. Today, we're diving into something that merges nostalgia with innovation, class with power, and precision with performance, the all-new BlackBerry Curve 5G. Yes, BlackBerry is back, and it's back with a vengeance. This isn't just another smartphone, it's a statement. A return to purposeful design, unmatched security, and the tactile brilliance that made BlackBerry legendary. So, sit tight, because we're about to explore why the BlackBerry Curve 5G might just be the most refreshing smartphone of the decade. Let's begin with keynote number 1, design and build quality. The BlackBerry Curve 5G instantly grabs your attention the moment you hold it. It carries that signature BlackBerry elegance but with a futuristic twist. The frame is crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum, giving it both strength and sophistication. Its curved edges flow seamlessly into the screen, offering a perfect blend of grip comfort and visual appeal. Unlike many modern phones that feel slippery or fragile, the Curve 5G feels reassuringly solid in the hand, like a precision tool meant to last. Every detail, from the matte-finished back panel to the subtly raised keyboard, has been meticulously engineered. The keyboard is where nostalgia meets modern design. It's slightly contoured, illuminated perfectly for low light, and integrated with haptic feedback that makes every keystroke feel responsive and deliberate. BlackBerry has also reintroduced the iconic frets between keys, now reimagined with adaptive smart lighting that adjusts according to your surroundings. The phone's curved glass display complements this tactile design, wrapping smoothly into the frame to create a near bezel-less illusion. Every curve feels intentional, every surface feels refined, and the attention to craftsmanship is distinctly BlackBerry. It's a device that looks professional, feels premium, and most importantly, reflects identity. Moving to keynote number 2, display. The BlackBerry Curve 5G features a 6.4-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a Quad HD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. This display is not just about visuals, it's about experience. Colors are vivid yet natural, the blacks are deep, and the brightness peaks at over 1600 nits, making it comfortably visible even under direct sunlight. The curved edges add to the immersive quality, giving videos, games, and content a cinematic depth. BlackBerry has also introduced something unique here, a productivity mode that intelligently adjusts the display tone and refresh rate depending on your task. Typing an email? The refresh rate drops to conserve power. Watching a video or scrolling through a feed? It ramps up to deliver fluid motion. The display is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 3, offering superior resistance against scratches and drops. It's also designed with anti-glare coating and a fingerprint resi.